Gang, 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 gang. What's good, YouTube gang? I already know what time it is, you know. Down back in the lab, man. We're there with another one. We're there with none other than, yes, my blood class Skippa it again. Jump out and he looking like a millionaire. But this time, we're down upon the Gully Riddim. Yes, man. The dog there, for they look at me, you know, well, we had this rhythm going on. Everybody representing for the ladies. So I think Skipper will be no different. The one named Service. You see me? That's what the dog I deal with. What kind of service the dog I deal with? The dog got service the girl them. You see me? Yeah, man. Skipper and the genius dog. We're not going to hold the vibes much. I'm going to jump right now. Skipper, the genius, service. Let's get it. We're down there dog fishing.
Yeah, me buy any type of brand. Your pussy good and it never second hand. Don't in your belly, just a dick and just a slap. Dick and just a slap.
Okay, oh buy any brand dog in your belly and it. Hold on. He's taking a different approach at the opening. Here dog I say. Here dog I say. Skipper. Skip them. And down low, gal. Hilangoli, rido. Hey!
Yeah, me buy any type of brand. Your pussy good and it never second hand.
What clan never second hand, gal? Buy any type of brand, go at you.
Don't in your belly, just a dick and just a slap. Dick and just a slap. Because me want you wine, me gal. Me want you twerk, your sign full of oil, me gal. No want a service. Papi lick a call, come me up in your cervix. Gal, you know me dog, skin it out and a
oh, your slide full of high, girl, you don't need service. Alright, okay.
Because me want you wine, me gal. Me want you twerk, your sign full of oil, me gal. No want a service. Papi lick a call, come me up in your cervix. Gal, you know me dog, skin it out and a church this. Gal, my gal a better than you. You bend your back like it, girl, matter. Oh, fly out, just to show you what the money can do. Just to show you what the money can do. Yeah. Good on my girl, me why you sit and catch. Yeah. Anything me buy your slippers bag. Down in your hole.
You know, girl, like girl, my shake it, you know, man. Look good.
Good on my girl, me why you sit and catch. Yeah. Anything me buy your slippers bag.
Yes, man, sit and catch, mama. Anything you want. You want slippers? You want a bag? What you want? Talk to me.
Now your old man a drift and crash. And you know why you not live by man. Yeah.
And I want me a drift and crash the blood. Hey, girl. Yes, man, I crash now everything, man. On the wall. You know the side. You know.
So baby girl, just call me. A gunman in your hole when you're on it. Yeah. I know you want to stop it talking. I straight to the your hole from morning brawling. You want me, girl. Why you twerk your sign full of oil, me girl. No want a service.
No service you no need, mama. No service after you no pop down. After you no pop down car, you no need no service, no mechanic, you no need a double D40 car, you no rusty, you full of oil up same way.
Me girl, no want a service. Papi lick a car, come me up in your cervix. Girl, you know me dog, skin it out and a church this. Yeah, now girl, no better than you. You bend your back like it, girl, matter. Oh, fly out, just to show you what the money can.
No girl, no better than you, mama, go and show. No girl, no better than you.
Yeah, now girl, no better than you. You bend your back like it, girl, matter. Oh, fly out, just to show you what the money
girl, no taboo can learn from your mama. I want to you. Girl, no taboo, no bad like a yo.
They can do. Yeah, come on, go down and wine. Sit and catch anything. Slip us back. Down in your hole. Chief and cash. Chief and cash.
Down in your hole, chief and crash, mama. We're traveling in the hole, in the bank, in the side, everything like a river bank. I like we crash like a boat. You see?
Yeah, so baby girl, just call me. A gunman in your hole when you're on it. Yeah, I know you want to stop it talking. I straight to the your hole from morning brawling. Why you wine me, girl? Me why you twerk your sign full of oil, me girl? No want a service. Papi lick a call, come me up in your cervix. Girl, you know me dog, skin it out and a church this. Girl, now girl, no better than you.
None.
You been a like it, girl, matter. Oh, fly out, just to show you what the money can do. Just to show you what the money can do. Yeah, me buy any type of brand. Your pussy good and it
Never second hand.
never second hand. Down in your belly just a
Brand new mama, I feel like you're just born with. Wait. You know what I'm saying? We don't like all that song, but you know what I mean. You see, you know what I mean, though. Watch
dick
it.
and just a slap. Dick and just a slap. Yes.
Yeah. Lord, clean gal. Yes, man. Anything you want, can buy. Hey! That was it. Like a brand new. You're not second hand, you like a brand new. Like, let go. I'm going to use our data. Riddim!
Just bend down low, gal.
Lord, clean. Watch you.
Bend down low, gal. Long bend down low.
Me buy any type of brand. You was I never second hand. Blood clean. Yes, man.
Yeah, me buy any type of brand. Your pussy good and it
Never second hand. Never.
Down in your belly just a dick and just a slap. Dick and just a slap.
Easy. That's how we end it. Go on, show. Yes, man. Buy any type of brand, mama. You was anyone and never second hand. Yes, man. Yo, shout out to Skippa, bro. Ilan Gully Riddim. Yo, the genius. Hey, shout out to the genius. First it was Mac. I know it's the genius. They bringing back the vibes, the juggling, the nice time in a dance hall, and we're here for it. We are here for it. 100%. Yes, we are. Yes, me once again. So let me know anything about the one in the comment section. Skippa. Did Skippa do his thing? Yes, me I say I don't do anything for the WYFL. You see me? To me, that do a thing. That come in a different vibe. You see? By any time around. You still try and keep the scamming thing going without keeping it going, keeping money thing going while I cater to the ladies. You see what I'm saying? Yes, man. Yeah, dog. What you mean, man? Skippa, I like him. I think the ladies gonna go love it too because it's geared to the ladies. And the reason why I like it is because it's geared to the ladies. We can play for the ladies. You know what I mean? So they can vibe to. You see me? I shake up there. You see me? I say, I dance and wind up on him thing there. Yes, man. Mama, who buy any type of brand? Your pussy good and I never second hand. I want to. You're full of high and you need no service. Oh, yeah, I want to need a service. Flow. Clean. Where do I say it?
I'm a wine, me gal. Me wine twerk. Yes, line full of high, me gal. No one a
service. Yes, man. Go on, show. Yeah, man. Sorry. This bad. Skipper, you did a thing, guys. You see me I say? Skipper, you did a thing, man. Yo, ladies, let me know what you think about this one. You see me I say? For like the one I want to say. Ilan Gully for this summer? Ilan Gully for this summer? Is this the rhythm of the summer? Is this the rhythm of 2026? I ain't gonna lie. WYFL did his thing. Yes, I see where Ilan Gully go still. But Ilan Gully definitely is doing his thing so far. You see me? Especially bringing the vibes to the gal them. You see me? I say? Yes, man. This year we're supposed to have no tune in that party, you know? Between WYFL with him and Ilan Gully, enough tune that, you know? Yes, man. Vibes should be tough. But anyway, guys, let me know anything about the one in the comment section. You see me? I said, let's chop it up. Let's talk about it. Let me know what your favorite part was. Let me know what your favorite song was. And I'll react to it. You see me? If I haven't already. You see me? But Skipper definitely do his thing, guys. Let me know what y'all think about it in the comment section. If you like a show the artist on the support, make you know say I did done. Send you. Till next time. Take care of yourself and each other. Love you guys. I'm on.